In which specific situation can the Vice President cast a vote in the Rajya Sabha? A. When there is a tie over the bill. B. When requested by the Prime Minister. C. When a bill is first introduced. D. In all legislative matters. The correct answer is A. When there is a tie over the bill. What was chosen to be the national emblem? A. Ashoka Chakra. B. Lotus flower. C. Tiger. D. Pillar at Sarnath. The correct answer is D. Pillar at Sarnath. The Varna system in the beginning was described as a based social division. A. Wealth. B. Birth. C. Rigid religious. D. Flexible occupation. The correct answer is D. Flexible occupation. What was the highest civilian award received? A. Bharat Ratna. B. Outstanding Work Grandmaster. C. Padma Vibhushan. D. Missile Man of India. The correct answer is A. Bharat Ratna. What is the ultimate law in India? A. Presidential decrees. B. Religious texts. C. The Constitution of India. D. State laws. The correct answer is C. The Constitution of India. What is the approximate average length of this nest-building reptile? A. 18 feet. B. 25 feet. C. 8 feet. D. 10 feet. The correct answer is A. 18 feet. Laying down roads is classified as what type of function for the village panchayat? A. Voluntary. B. Supplementary. C. Discretionary. D. Obligatory. The correct answer is D. Obligatory. Under which section of the Protection Act is the power conferred on the state to establish a State Human Rights Commission? A. Section 31. B. Section 41. C. Section 21. D. Section 11. The correct answer is C. Section 21. Which of the following is an internet resource listed for foreign policy information? A. www.who.int. B. https://nol.org/. C. www.un.org. D. www.worldbank.org. The correct answer is B. https://nol.org/. What specific organization is the chairperson mentioned in relation to? A. Supreme Court. B. Universal Declaration of Human Rights. C. National Human Rights Commission. D. International Court of Justice. The correct answer is C. National Human Rights Commission. What additional factor determines gender besides biological sex? A. Family history. B. Economic status. C. What an individual feels and does. D. Geographic location. The correct answer is C. What an individual feels and does. What forces does a market cover in a general wide area? A. Demand and supply. B. Government regulation and trade agreements. C. Production and consumption. D. Distribution and logistics. The correct answer is A. Demand and supply. What is another aspect students are expected to know about regarding the state government? A. Its budget allocation. B. Its history. C. Its judicial system. D. Its structure. The correct answer is D. Its structure. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's description of a constitutional right highlights its importance for A. Equal status. B. Property ownership. C. Legal enforcement of rights. D. Religious freedom. The correct answer is C. Legal enforcement of rights. Which article of the Constitution deals with the creation or abolition of legislative councils in a state? A. Article 171. B. Article 168. C. Article 169. D. Article 170. The correct answer is C. Article 169. Besides tolerance, what spirit did Ashoka appeal to develop towards religious sects? A. Indifference. B. Rivalry. C. Skepticism. D. Great respect. The correct answer is D. Great respect. What is the ultimate goal of enacting many laws related to women's rights in India? A. To give women equal legal status with men. B. To establish a new political party. C. To limit women's participation in society. D. To deny legal rights to men. The correct answer is A. To give women equal legal status with men. Gender may or may not depend upon what? A. Educational background. B. Geographic location. C. Biological traits. D. Economic status. The correct answer is C. Biological traits. The commission headed by M. M. Punchchi consisted of how many members? A. 3. B. 4. C. 5. D. 2. The correct answer is A. 3. What is the meaning of hazard? A. A type of advertisement. B. A danger or risk. C. A crowded area. D. A compulsory rule. The correct answer is B. A danger or risk. Which part of the Constitution established the Supreme Court of India as the highest court? 8. Part 3. B. Part 4. C. Part 6. D. is Part V. The correct answer is D. Part V. What type of vehicle is mentioned in the text? A. Three-wheeler. B. Four-wheeler. C. One-wheeler. D. Two-wheeler. The correct answer is D. Two-wheeler. What action should a driver take at a red signal? A. Continue if no other vehicles are present. B. Slow down and proceed with caution. C. Stop behind the stop line. D. Accelerate to clear the intersection. The correct answer is C. Stop behind the stop line. Who is mentioned as the composer of a song in 2010? A. Bankim Chandra. B. Emperor Kanishka. C. Udaya Kumar. D. Pidimari Venkat Subba Rao. The correct answer is C. Udaya Kumar. Which act is mentioned in relation to citizenship? A. The Citizenship Act of 1962. B. The Citizenship Act of 1955. C. The Citizenship Act of 1950. D. The Citizenship Act of 1947. The correct answer is B. The Citizenship Act of 1955. What does local media primarily address? A. International politics. B. Celebrity news. C. Public locality issues. D. Scientific discoveries. The correct answer is C. Public locality issues. According to the 2001 Census of India, how many major languages are present? A. 23. B. 122. Circa 1599. D. 199. The correct answer is B. 122. What is one of the functions of political parties regarding public opinion? A. They shape public opinion. B. They suppress public opinion. C. They ignore public opinion. D. They dictate public opinion. The correct answer is A. They shape public opinion. What is essential for India to achieve her multifarious developmental goals? A. International alliances. B. A strong economy. C. A peaceful periphery. D. Advanced technology. The correct answer is C. A peaceful periphery. Recruitment to the Home Guard Defense Services is open to which group of people? A. Only residents of border areas. B. Only military personnel. C. Only government employees. D. All Indians. The correct answer is D. All Indians. How did you score?